In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate the comprehensive documentation available on Cloudflare's website. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, understanding how to find the right resources can save you time and make your projects much more efficient. So let's dive in and explore how you can quickly get the information you need from Cloudflare's documentation library. First, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is the main hub for accessing all the tools and services Cloudflare offers to enhance your website's performance and security. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time here. It's designed to be user-friendly, but knowing your way around will only enhance your experience. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see a variety of options that guide you to different parts of Cloudflare's services. What you're looking for here is the support section. It's usually quite visible and easy to spot. Go ahead and click on Support. Doing this will produce a drop-down menu providing you with several choices related to assistance and further information. From the drop-down menu, select Documentation. This might seem straightforward, but it's an essential step in getting to the richest resources Cloudflare offers. Clicking Documentation will redirect you to a new page, specifically designed to compile all the detailed guides and help articles Cloudflare has constructed for its users. Now, here's where it gets especially useful. On this page, you'll find a well-organized collection of documents to assist you with various aspects of your Cloudflare usage. The documentation section is categorized to help you find exactly what you're looking for, whether it be information on different products, understanding subscription billing, or guidance on using the Cloudflare API. You'll also have access to the changelog, which is incredibly handy for keeping up with the latest updates and features Cloudflare has rolled out. Feature articles and help sections are also readily accessible for a more in-depth understanding. As you navigate through these documents, remember to use the search function if you're looking for something specific. Typing in keywords or phrases can swiftly pull up the most relevant articles, saving you valuable time. By familiarizing yourself with this documentation hub, you're empowering yourself to troubleshoot issues independently, understand new features as they're released, and optimize your Cloudflare setup efficiently. I trust you'll find this incredibly resourceful as you continue to harness Cloudflare's capabilities. And there you have it. You now know how to access and utilize Cloudflare's extensive documentation library. Happy exploring, and may this